This creamy and delicious keto chocolate protein pudding has a secret ingredient that makes it surprisingly healthy. This entire recipe requires only 5 ingredients, can be prepared in minutes, and yields 30 grams of protein and only 6 grams of carbs. I'm sure you want to know how all this is possible, so let's just get in the recipe. So this recipe is super easy. So the first thing you want to do is prep your secretly healthy main ingredient. And to do that, you just take 1 large avocado, cut it into diced pieces, put it in a single layer in a Ziploc bag, and freeze it until it's completely frozen through. Once your avocado is frozen through, go ahead and retrieve that from the freezer and measure 1 cup of your diced frozen avocado. It should equal about 1 whole avocado. And add that to a food processor or a bowl if using an immersion blender. Now you want to add a 1/4 cup of chocolate whey protein, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granular sugar substitute, I use Swerve, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 to 3 tablespoons milk of choice. I use unsweetened coconut milk. The amount of milk you'll need will depend on the type of whey protein you use. I use the whey isolate, it's a little bit more absorbent, so I needed 3 tablespoons. Once all your ingredients are added, go ahead and blend them in your food processor until all your ingredients are combined and smooth. Once smooth, add your protein pudding to a bowl and use a hand mixer and mix it for 3 to 4 minutes to make it extra creamy and remove all the lumps. Now you can grab a spoon and dig in at this point, but you know I love adding toppings. I added some keto granola, some unsweetened shredded coconut, a few raspberries, and some Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. And you have to admit, it looks pretty amazing. Now enjoy this 5 ingredient, protein-packed, creamy, delicious, chocolatey protein pudding. And the taste test, crazy good. It has a nice rich chocolate flavor. The finish is really smooth and velvety. The avocado taste is non-existent. This is seriously one of the easiest ways to sneak in an avocado into your diet. We all know avocados are a superfood, packed with nutrients, good fats, and to be able to sneak it in a protein chocolate pudding, pretty epic. And the macros for the entire recipe, 29.8 grams of protein, 13.7 grams of fiber, 6.7 grams of carbs, and only 1 gram of sugar. This is the perfect snack for after a workout or to curb late night cravings. I couldn't recommend this protein pudding enough. Please try it and let me know how you liked it. If you know someone who should try this protein-packed keto chocolate pudding recipe, please share the video. And thank you for watching. I really try to share recipes that are healthy, delicious, and can be easily prepared. And I'd really love if you would try them. And of course, until next time, keep it classy, keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen, out. If you're looking for another easy, high-protein keto chocolate dessert recipe, check out this flourless, 60-second mug cake video here. And for all my healthy recipes, check out this playlist. And for future content, please subscribe.